Hey guys, this video is going to make you memorize cervical cancers and its stages in a very easy way without any mnemonic, without any story, and once you listen to my session, you don't need to revise also until the exam. You will memorize it very well and you will figure out what is the right option among all the confusing options. Okay, so let's go. First, you need to know about cervical cancer. It has these all stages. Okay, it has first stage has A and B, second stage has A and B, third stage also has A and B, and fourth stage will be single. Okay, so this is what you need to know: A B A B A B and fourth. Okay, why I'm telling you this? Because we're going to memorize it according to the stage wise. So examiner will be asking you what is stage 3A. Okay, so you should not get confused that stage 2C is there or not. So you need to know how many stages are there, how many sub stages are there in each stage. First stage has A and B, second stage has A and B, third stage has A and B, and fourth stage is single. Okay, so let's go. According to stage wise, what all happens, I have mentioned it here, and I also adjusted complete stages in a single diagram. Okay, so I hope this imaginary diagram will is going to make you memorize it in an easy way. Okay, so imagine this is a cervical part and this is a vaginal part. Okay, so what I want to tell you is this is a cervical part and this is a vaginal part. Okay, so stage 1 I have drawn it here, means tumor just confined to the cervix. Okay, stage 1 is all about tumor confined to the cervix, and 1A will tell you microinvasion, 1B will tell you all other cases confirmed tumor in cervix. So it's all about tumor is in the cervix only with no other metastasis to any other region. Okay, so stage 1, A and B both will tell you that tumor is in the cervix. So what I said you, this is a cervical part, this is a vaginal part. So tumor is in the cervix. After that, this is a vaginal part. So what does 2A will tell you? 2A will tell you tumor spread to the upper two-thirds of the vagina. This is the upper two-third of the vagina. So upper two-third of the vagina is stage 2A. After you draw 2A here, 2B will go here. Okay, and 3A is here, 3B will be here. So just draw a small diagram like first step here, first dot here, after the second dot here, third dot here, fourth dot here, and fifth dot here. That's it. That's it. So you can memorize all the stages in a very clear way without even reading it multiple times, without trying to memorize them by reading it tons of times, and without revising many times. You can just memorize it in a single shot. Okay, this is a cervical part. So stage 1 is basically about tumor conformed to the cervix. Okay, and let's know about stage 2. Stage 2 has A and B again. So A will tell you that upper two thirds of the vagina. Okay, so this is a vagina part, so upper two thirds of the vagina. And 2B is about tumor spread to the paracervical. Okay, this is cervix, I said you. So beside cervix is called as paracervical tissue, but not to the pelvic walls. Remember, we are in no much metastasis will be seen. There is no spread of cancer will be seen. So only tumor will be spreaded to the paracervical tissue, the tissue which is present just beside the cervix, that is paracervical tissue. Okay, so after stage 2B, let's know about stage 3A. Okay, so what I said you is here 2A is done, 2B is done. After that 3A, 3B. Okay, so 3A will tell you tumor spread to the lower third of the vagina. So what I said you, this is a vagina part, upper third ho gaya, happened in 2A. So lower third will be spreading out in the stage 3A. Okay, so tumor spread to the lower third of the vagina. And what about 3B? 3B is about tumor spread to the pelvic wall. Till here it was paracervical tissue, and till here it is pelvic wall or obstruction of the either ureter by tumor. Okay, so this is all about the beside the paracervical tissue there will be pelvic wall. So pelvic wall or obstruction of the either ureter by tumor. Okay, so I hope it is easy till now, and always remember stage 4 is all about the metastasis to the surrounding organs. Okay, in any cancer, stage 4 is about the metastasis to the surrounding organs. So stage 4 is about tumor spread to the mucosa of the bladder or rectum or outside the pelvis. So what are the organs which will be surrounded to the uterus is the, these are the organs: bladder, rectum, and pelvis. So these will be spreaded. Okay, so I hope it is easy now. I'm going to repeat it again, guys. So this is the diagram. I made it in a big size. Okay, so this is a cervical part, this is a vaginal part, and this is a paracervical tissue, this is a pelvic wall. Okay, 1A and 1B is about tumor confined to the uterus, and next one is 2A. 2A is about the tumor will spread to the upper two-third of the vagina, and 2b is about the paracervical tissue besides cervix, paracervical tissue. 3a is about the lower third of the vagina, okay, and 3b is about the pelvic wall. So stage 4 is about the bladder, rectum, and surrounding organs will get tumor. Okay, so I hope it is easy, guys. So let me know your feedback, and thank you so much for watching.